really problematic in the plumbing of the market. And when I see the technicals, they gave you the idea. So when I look at the technicals, I say, well, yeah, I can see technically why there could be, a bigger move down from here. This does not look like it wants to just keep going up. It looks like it wants to just consolidate maybe a little bit more and then possibly drop. And you can see if this is a true bear flag, if I'm not saying it is, but if it's a true bear flag, you're talking about testing the lows of the 2009, 2008 financial crisis. And we all know what happened then, right? So, hey, I'm not an expert in bonds. I'm not an expert in finance. I'm not even an expert in charting, but this is what I'm seeing, and I'm sharing it with you. Like, hey, this is I don't know. It's interesting, that's for sure. Um, and since everybody's very bullish, and the economy is slowing down. I mean, obviously, we had the job revision numbers today. I mean, I just think everybody's, they're high on fumes, and it's a little bit like, bad news just isn't really registering in the market, but I think at some point it will. And that some point might be rather soon. Uh, we'll have to see. But these lines haven't worked so far, but like I said, the cycles that are being talked about are bearish into 2026. Whether or not it actually happens, I can't say. Um, but I do think we could all be very surprised. That's all I'll say about it. Okay, that's the video. Everybody have a great rest of the week. I'll update if I feel like I need to or should, but I wanted to share that information. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye.